public document. What is the meaning of public document? Means it is not a secret, not a confidential document. It is open to all, general public. Any person who wants to read memorandum of the company, he can get its copy from the registered office. He can read it thoroughly. Is that clear? So it is a public document. Then it is registered with Register of Companies. You know, at the time of incorporation stage, second stage of company formation, memorandum is drafted, it is submitted to Register of Companies, and Registrar approves after satisfying with all the conditions of memorandum, with all the clauses of memorandum. Clear? Then its copy is always kept at the registered office or corporate office of the company for the purpose of reading by layman, public. Anybody can come and read, he can ask questions. Then any person who wants to deal with the company shall read the memorandum before dealing. This is clearly written. It is not the company's duty to tell everybody, this is our memorandum and you read it. The way I tell you, yesterday I have uploaded a video and you see it and you write the notes. Company nahi bolega. It is not the duty of company. Company will keep one copy there. One who wants to deal, he shall read, and everything is at his own discretion. Clear? It is presumed that every person dealing with a company must have read the memorandum of the company, and this presumption is nothing but the doctrine of constructive notice. It means any party which is having contract with the company assumes that this party has already written our memorandum, then they are coming to us. Later on they cannot come. In yesterday's lecture I had given an example that Board of Directors raised a loan beyond the scope of memorandum. And bank manager said, no, I didn't know. I didn't read the memorandum of the company. Whose mistake? Banker's mistake. Exactly. First mistake is done by Board of Directors, that they have availed the loan above the limits of borrowing powers given by the memorandum. And second mistake is done by bank manager by not reading the memorandum. So there is a presumed notice that every person who is coming to the company for dealing must have read the memorandum. And this presumed notice is called as the doctrine of constructive notice. And I hope it is understood. Yes. If any question is there, you can ask. That's all.